This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin now. Inspect the flare for cracks, corrosion, or an expired date. This matters because a damaged flare can fail or explode. Once done, put on gloves and clear at least 1 to 2 meters around you. Make sure there are no dry leaves, fuel, or loose clothing nearby. Next, remove the protective cap and hold the flare at the base. Point it away from yourself and others. This first action gets the device into a safe, ready position. You now ignite the flare using the method printed on the tube. Whether you pull a cord or strike a cap, do it decisively because hesitation can waste fuel. Once lit, raise it at a 45 to 60 degree angle above your head and hold it steady. This keeps the bright smoke and light visible to rescuers. Make short signals in 10 to 15 second bursts to conserve the flare and to create repeated, noticeable flashes. Keep your arm locked and steady despite heat. You finish by safely extinguishing and securing the spent flare. Set it tip down in sand or a metal container and let it cool completely because residual heat can reignite combustibles. Once safe, make a radio call or phone alert with your exact position, then mark the spot with bright cloth so rescuers can find you. If the flare doesn't ignite, try the correct ignition method one more time. If it still fails, switch immediately to a backup signal such as
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.